This is the one I ate.
So this is what we found coming home from work
Just
tonight.
in our driveway. Awesome stuff. Anybody know what these are? I'm sure there's some people out there that grew up picking these. These are oyster mushrooms.
You know, when I first moved to Pennsylvania, and Matt was like, we'll go mushroom hunting, and at that time for like morel mushrooms. And what's the other one? The cap mushrooms.
The, see, that's why I soak them in salt water.
Get rid of all the
all the buggy
little
bugs.
critters.
These are oyster mushrooms.
What was the other mushrooms we went looking
Chicken
for?
mushrooms.
Chicken mushrooms? No, there's one more. There's morel, and there's like, they look like little caps.
Those are field mushrooms.
Is that what they are?
Yep, the white field mushrooms with the pink gills.
And is there arrowheads?
Yeah, those are all morels, the yellow ones.
Okay.
You got black, yellow, and white, right?
Huh.
The whites are the big giant ones as I'm eating these.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, the chef and Matt is just like, oh, food on a tree. Let's cut it off and like fry it up with what? Onions, maybe?
Yep.
Let's fry these mushrooms with some onions and mushrooms. Oh, I just got a big old whiff of mushroom smell.
Isn't that good?
Yeah, it actually smells good. I like it.
Yeah, instead of paying all that money for oyster mushrooms, which you got to pay a ton. Look how much there's
I
like
know. We're putting
4 or
them
5 pounds.
here, guys, into...
Remember that time we were
bag?
walking on the bike trail and I found that big giant thing at chicken mushrooms? I used my shirt and ruined
You
my shirt.
stretched your shirt out so you could...
I probably had 20
you could
pounds
haul
of
a
chicken
load
mushrooms.
of mushrooms home.
I had like 20 pounds of chicken mushrooms.
Oh my gosh. So Matt grew up foraging for mushrooms, so he got a little excited
Love
tonight
mushrooms,
coming
yeah.
home.
I was like, one of my favorites, chicken mushrooms. If I can't, morels, of course, my favorite, which I didn't get a chance to go out this year, but these are amazing, right?
Oh, they're so meaty. Yeah, so like we cook them up and stuff them.
I probably do these with in strips.
Not everybody's a mushroom lover, though.
Yeah, I do.
That's the question of the day. Are you a mushroom lover, or are you turned off by mushrooms?
I think when I was a kid, you know, being around Mitty's kids, right? Because some of them didn't like mushrooms, some of them didn't like deer meat and stuff like that. And I actually liked all that stuff the older I got. It was just, I was kind of influenced by the older kids, you know, the teenagers. So yeah, you can actually find oyster mushrooms into fall, in winter, and spring. They don't grow so much in the summertime, but if the conditions are right, you know, like these these weren't here yesterday.
That's what's amazing. Like, we've had some big rain lately, and even the hostas along my house, my walkway, I kid you not, like, you go to work in the morning, you come home in the evening, and you're like, holy moly, they've grown, they've sprouted. Like, how did all this happen while I was at work? But these were greeting us on the ride home. Look at the beautiful evening it is out there, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, rain. Do you see the clouds in the sky here? There is, listen. Do you hear it? It's a coming. So Matt better like cut quickly. Yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful. Oh, I just felt the first raindrop. We're good.
Get out of here, buggy bug.
How fast can you go? How fast can
When
you
you're
go?
cutting chicken mushrooms, I'm not so much worried about the oyster mushroom, but when you're cutting chicken mushrooms, you should leave like a ½ inch to 3/4 inch sticking out, so that way they can spawn. Like, they'll regrow.
And oyster mushrooms, you know this, right? That they're supposed to be
antibacterial. You can make a tea
good
out.
for medicine.
We used to, when we were kids.
What's it called? Medicinal? Is that the
when
word?
we were kids, right?
Holy moly!
We used, look at that, the back of that,
Holy moly!
and then
throw that beast in the bag. Love it. What were you saying about when you were kids? I was talking about medicine and using them for other purposes.
Yeah, my grandmother used to make tea out of these things, and that was for sore throats and stuff. And now they know that they are good for sore throats.
Wow.
I'll just let that one go down there, but
Okay.
I'll show these.
This little guy down here. Yep.
So hey.
All right.
I
Anything else on the other
I just
side?
got a really expensive treat for free.
Well, that was
Hey,
fun.
look at that. This is a whole bag
Yep.
of gourmet mushrooms.
Yep.
And grand total of $0
Woohoo! Thank you, Mother Nature.
and 0 cents. Yep.
The greatest artist and also chef, apparently.
Yes.
All right, let's go spruce them up.
Yep.
Just in time. Do you hear that thunder? Oh yeah. So yesterday, the mushrooms dried on paper towels.
Yeah.
And now what are we doing with them?
We soaked them in salt water overnight, and then we dried them out. And now we're just frying them in a little salt and butter.
Oh wow, that looks good. That smells amazing.
Butter and oil? What you putting in this?
I just did butter and yeah, just regular salt and pepper. To be honest with
and
you.
then you just fry them up. These are what they look like.
So this is what they look like before. He put them on a paper towel, laid them out, and now he's gonna go ahead. And he shared some of these mushrooms with his dad as well. Plus,
And
you
I ate
shared.
a lot.
You
Yeah.
did yesterday, right? You were
I was
eating a
frying
few.
them. Yeah.
And Kate and Adam here at the shop, they also indulged.
Yeah, I was battering them and frying them, and there you go.
Nice. All right, guys. So there you go. We went foraging in the driveway, and here's what we found. Comment below. Tell us, do you love mushrooms? Have you ever been mushroom hunting before? Just be careful when you do go, and make sure you're picking the ones that are legit that you can eat, right?
Yeah, make sure you know what you're doing. Chicken mushrooms and oyster mushrooms and morels, super easy to identify. When you start dealing with field mushrooms, that's a little bit different.
Okay, awesome. All right, guys, sound off below. Let us know what you think of the mushrooms. Would you like to try one? Thanks for subscribing to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below. We'll join you in the comments shortly. And see you again tomorrow.
Bye.